Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a battery draining test for Redmi K20 Pro. Now in the first part, I'll be playing 5 games. These games will be GTA San Andreas, PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, Resident Evil 4 using Dolphin Emulator and God of War 2 using Day 1 Ps2 Pro Emulator. I'll be playing each of these games for about half an hour, and after that we'll be running a series of YouTube videos. In the third part, we'll be recording some full HD videos, and if there is any battery left after that, then we'll see what we need to do to completely drain the battery. Now the first part will also be the gaming stress test for Redmi K20 Pro. We'll be measuring the temperature during gaming, and we'll be also seeing if this phone throttles or not. So let me just tell you guys, I'll be using my 7.1 channel stereo headphones to play the games, and these headphones also support vibration, so I'll also enable that. Yeah, so LED lighting is also enabled. Let me just increase the volume to 100% and let me just increase the brightness to around 60%. First game that I'll be trying is PUBG Mobile, running at max graphical settings. Okay, so first let me just measure this widescreen area. Here as you can see, it has already dropped 1%. This is a thing with Xiaomi phones. They quickly lose that 1% charge from 100 to 99. And here as you can see guys, I'll just set it to around 60%. Let's see how much brightness is this. So it is around 200 lux as you can see. And 100% brightness is around 770 lux, 780 lux. So for PUBG, I'll just take away 60%, which is around 200, 210 lux. So let's just start our game. This is bright enough for just about every user, I think. I have connected my headphones. So OnePlus 7 lasted for about 4 hours 50 minutes. Let's see how long K20 Pro can last. And here as you can see guys, I have enabled the MIUI game speed turbo mode as well. And let me just start the timer. Here as you can see, the timer has been started. And graphic settings, HDR, frame rate set to extreme, style set to realistic, anti-aliasing has been enabled, shadows have been enabled as well. You can see the other settings here. I have disabled auto adjust graphic. Let's just start our game. The ambient temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius, just to let you know. Alright, so let's check out the FPS. So here as you can see guys, FPS is around 60. So I don't play PUBG a lot, but I think that they updated the game to support 60 FPS now. I'm not using GFX tools. The frame rate has been set to extreme and I'm getting around 60 FPS. That's really good to see. Game is definitely running very smoothly. Here as you can see guys, during sprinting the FPS is around 60. Game is definitely running very smoothly, I have to say. And someone is shooting at me. Alright, so I was able to knock out this guy. Yeah, first kill. I was able to kill this guy as well. That was close. So I'll just cross this river to go to the other side. So phone is not showing any signs of throttling guys, I have to say. It's just slightly warm, and this is the game running at such high graphics quality preset and 60 FPS mode as well. Yeah, so it has been around 22 minutes now. Let me just show you the battery percentage. Here as you can see guys, our battery percentage has dropped down to 88%. And just to let you know, the phone is in airplane mode. Alright, so we won this match guys. Let's just check out the battery percentage. So for about 29 minutes of gaming, our battery fell down from 99% to 85%. Let's just exit PUBG and move on to our next game, that is Asphalt 9. So at the start, battery is around 85%. Let's check out sound and display. Visual quality has been set to default. So my controller connected. Here as you can see, gamepad connected. Let's just play the game using the controller. Alright, so I have enabled the MIUI game speed turbo mode so that you can view the FPS counter. So the game is running at around 30 FPS. It's hard locked at 30 FPS. Good to see our controller is working by default. The graphics of this game looks amazing. Very good performance by Redmi K20 Pro, and the race is already finished. So been playing it for around 23 minutes now. Let me just show you the battery percentage. It's down to 76%. So there are a lot of racers here. Let's see if we can take a lead. Oh, I missed that RAM. So I still remember it, guys, that OnePlus 7 ran all these games for about 2.5 hours and battery consumed was around 60%. And let me just show you the battery percentage, 73% now for about 30 minutes of Asphalt 9 gaming. So now I'm going to increase the brightness level to 100% because we are going to run GTA San Andreas and it's not a very demanding game. So the ambient temperature has been set to 27 degrees Celsius. Visual effects have been set to max. Resolution has been set to 100%. And I will also set the draw distance to 100%. And shadows have been set to advanced. Car reflections have been set to max. And let's just start our game. Yeah, so now our game has started. It will be interesting to see if it crashes. So just need to go to CJ's house now. Yeah, so I just enabled MIUI game speed turbo mode interface. Here as you can see, FPS is hard locked at 30 FPS. I'll also need to follow my teammate. Those people are still chasing us. You can see how colorful these walls are looking. The AMOLED screen of K20 Pro is really enhancing these colors. So I've been playing the game for around 20 minutes, guys, and the game has not crashed. So that's good to see. The thing is, guys, that this game is quite old now and it hasn't been updated for a very long time. So I'll just end its gameplay here. Move on to the next part, that is running YouTube videos at full HD. So I plugged in my 7.1 channel headphones. The LED has been enabled. The brightness has been set to 100% and volume is also set to 100%. The quality has been set to 1080p 60 fps. So let me just set it in full screen mode and I'll let it play. So we'll be checking it after 2 hours. So guys, the phone switched off after 2 hours of YouTube video streaming. Now the overall time was 4 hours 31 minutes and for OnePlus 7 it was around 4 hours 50 minutes. So even with the slightly bigger battery capacity, the overall time that came out is actually lower as compared to OnePlus 7. So guys, I'll end this video here. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you did not, you can hit the dislike button. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Looking forward to such similar content in the near future. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.